Hey everybody, as you can see, I have a new setup. I am no longer relying on VSCode. I'm using Pulsar every now and then, but it has less extensions in it. Trying to become less resilient on autocomplete and want to get better at command line stuff and using Vim. So this is my new setup with the terminal. So that way I can Vim into different things I can list. Let's just sit. Start the same thing. Pod application. And also at the same time, I could have it in the background so I can add it here. In. So now I can change stuff right here. Does. So we're just getting used to the new workflow. Comment below. Tell me how you like it. Tell me what kind of setup you have that uses minimal stuff. And please, if there's any information you can share with me to help with some plugins, I want to kind of colorize like syntax and stuff like that. If you can help me with that, please share below your links and stuff like that. All will be helpful. Please follow, like, subscribe the video. It only helps me a little bit. So we'll see you here in the future for more videos.